Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipop chicken. Trim the drumettes into lollipop shapes and score the meat near the bone. Pat them dry, then toss in a simple marinade of soy, honey, garlic, and a splash of oil. Let the flavors soak in for about 30 minutes while you preheat the oven to 400 degrees F. I'll guide you through shaping, seasoning, and getting a crisp finish. Sear each lollipop briefly in a hot skillet to build color and caramelization, then transfer to the oven. Roast at 400 degrees F for about 15 to 20 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. While they cook, prepare a sticky glaze to brush on during the last few minutes. After roasting, let the lollipops rest for 5 minutes so the juices settle, then finish with your glaze. Finish the lollipops with a glossy glaze by brushing it on during the last 3 minutes of cooking, so it sets without burning. Garnish with chopped green onions and toasted sesame seeds for color and crunch. Plate them on a tray for parties or as an appetizer with dipping sauces like sweet chili or spicy mayo. I'll also share quick tips for reheating so they stay juicy and crisp the second time around.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.